Frag. Welcome to the Strive crew. Here's a Crowfist.
Hello. Hello.
I actually mulliganed the Owl. I don't know. Usually doesn't work out that great against Mage unless they have the Mad Scientist. It's like kind of weird, but I don't know. If this is Freeze Mage, I have the I'm gonna try to trick him actually to AI here and then Cold Light. But yeah, if this is Freeze Mage, I actually have the tools with the Cold Lights in the Death Lords kind of. Death Lord's actually really good because they don't even want to get out Alex, right? And they don't have very many minions. Because they need the Alex to do the damage. Oh. This is not Freeze Mage. Some weird... He just held all the stuff. Tempo Mage. The good thing about Cola is you can kill people through Ice Block because Ice Block doesn't work on fatigue. So once you get the fatigue, the Ice Block's useless.
Someday I'll be just like you.
It's actually kind of scary because this is this mage deck specialty. I guess it's okay for me still. But I'm definitely expecting Fireball, Flame Cannon, Frostbolt. Like it's like a tempo mage. They're really good at snowballing their minions with the removal. They run a lot of removal, so good thing is though, like yeah. Okay, yeah. So it's still awkward for him. Because if he has to punch a slime, I can just ping it. Alright, yeah, Belcher's just imba. Even with the flame cannon, it pretty much killed everything.
Engaging TC-130 mental dislocator.
It's a good top deck. If he drops one more minion, I can mind control tech him. Probably not gonna happen. Oh, perfect. Now I have the duplicate up as well. It's super hard for him. He has to worry about Flame Strike. Like if he just goes face, plays more minions, he gets Flame Strike. If he trades, I get duplicated, and he can't even trade. He can't just do nothing either. Like if he does nothing, I can just attack the Drake and ping my own guy to steal the 3/6 as well. I want to try new decks. Yeah, it's probably not. I thought Firebat played more Hunter and Rogue. Firebat actually plays like mid range a lot though, so fatigue decks aren't that great against mid range decks. Oh.
Well played. I have no time for games.
Ice Bear and Ice Block are like different. But Ice Block is basically if you're planning on taking like a billion damage in one turn. Barrier is better generally if you're just like Block is basically for freeze decks because in freeze burn type decks you don't use Ice Block unless you have a lot of like fireballs and frostbolts and power blasts, because what you can do is like it hits like a breakpoint, right? Like say you're at 5 life and they have like 30 power on board, you can just Ice Block and start burning them out, whereas Ice Barrier you die anyways. But you know, it doesn't help you, the Ice Block, and like, not really, like, against Hunter and stuff. It buys you 1 turn, but 8 armor is a lot better. Actually, it doesn't matter.
Let none survive.
I think this game is over. I haven't had multiple emperors ever, I think. Oh, I want to see what happens if that happens. Looks fun though. I don't think this can go well for him because I have Sylvanas up already. Yeah, with a 5/5 coming out, I can kill the man worm and steal the rank. I think I need something faster. Yeah. I like playing Mage a lot.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
I guess it's okay. I think it's actually same deck. If I'm 100% sure, maybe I should have just killed the mad scientist and left the other one up. Because if you get a duplicate, it can be a problem, I guess. Actually, no, it doesn't matter. I don't want to use Owl, though. Need Owl for Sylvanas, basically.
I've got a huge gun.
Alright, looks like this is Tempo Mage, I guess. It's kind of weird because I want to save the duplicate for my Belcher, but then I have to watch it for Marinity. I think I'm just gonna, I guess it's fine. Trying to set up for Flame Strike. I wanted to combo this with duplicate somehow, but I don't know. I don't see a way I can do it very easily. So. I'm gonna try how this works because I can flame strike that guy kind of down. If he kills my guy, I can flame strike most of the stuff, I think. And I also get to duplicate this. Might be good to just go for that strat. He's already used a lot of spells, like 2 fireballs, frost pulse. So most of the stuff that he draws is gonna be, or he gets his creatures. Actually, it's all his creatures, so yeah. I can just flood and then flame strike. That's not a good one. It's kind of useless. It's not actually that bad get NT kill out duplicate. The body is really weak and you still get the battle cry. I could have gone for that as well. I have to wait one turn, kind of. I think I have to do this, because if I drop both the Heal Bot and the Death Lord, then my whole hand is Echoes and like Flame Strikes, and I have no creatures to duplicate an Echo. So I need to do it like this, basically. My worst enemy, Dr. Boom. I actually don't have a great way to do this. A lot of times I get caught up where like my flame strikes don't work. And maybe it's better to have one blizzard, one flame strike as well. Okay, this is my flame strike turn and play the Death Lord. The question is, do I play the Death Lord before or after? I might get Mirror Entity'd. I don't know if that's a bad thing necessarily. I guess it's bad. Oh, it's duplicate. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough to know what I duplicated. I have to see the order of play, but... Maybe I should Flame Strike, but the problem is then next turn's gonna be hard. He's just gonna flood again and I don't have Flame Strike. Maybe I should just see what I get. Oh, because they got the bin bots, but... I'm too far behind board, I think so.
The light does not discriminate.
Hello.
Alright, well, hoping I get something small, but that's not too small.
Well played.
It also feels really unstable. Like if I don't have BGH for like something like Dr. Boom, you just fall so far behind.
Hello.
Okay, it looks like this is Handlock. I don't think I want to play Deathlord against Handlock early, but I'm not sure. Like, they have a lot of big minions that will wreck you if they get pulled out. I mean, you can't kill it for a while. It's just like he plays like a giant or like a 4/7 or something, a Drake. It just trades over a couple turns.
From the void I come.
I wonder.
From the void I come.
Looks like I'll probably just be killing it with how this is right now. I don't have anything else to do other than to play Duplicate. I guess it makes sense. I don't mind duplicating Owl in this matchup. Deathlord I don't think is good to duplicate, but...
I can ease your pain.
Yeah, I'm kind of just setting it for Flame Strike. I mean, that might be a decent Flame Strike, I'm not sure. Doesn't seem that great either. I might just single target this down with Frostbolt. And then I have 5 mana left. I can play Duplicate. Actually, yeah, let's just Frostbolt this and play the Water Elemental. Set up for Flame Strike for later. Also, I really want to duplicate the Water Elemental, or just something, I guess. Looks like I'm already just going for the Deathlord game plan again, though. It kind of works well with MC Tech if you can get that off as well, like Deathlord MC Tech. Another thing is this might not be a Handlock. It might be a mid-range deck with Mistress of Pain. Usually I don't see that in Handlock. I can actually kind of clear the board with Flame Strike, but I would need to lose my Water Elemental for the 9/7. And also I don't get the Flame Strike whatever comes out of this Deathlord. Trying to think if I can find a way around it. Something else I can do is just to don't Flame Strike. No, it has to be, I have to Flame Strike. I was thinking Cold Light duplicate, but then like my Cold Light might get duplicated, and I'm not sure how bad it would be to give them that many cards either. Okay, so we get Mind Control tech, that's really good. Okay, that works out. I have Echo. If my MC tech survives, like it's likely he'll 4 again next turn is the thing. So if I can get the Echo plus MC tech, I still have what? Echo is still 6 mana. So I can actually, yeah, I could do that. If he has 4 minions. And if my MC tech survives. Still have one more Flame Strike in my deck also. Might be able to fatigue him out, kind of. Or at least make the fatigue start to be relevant. Like, make him scared of running out of cards and things like that. Even if I don't actually fatigue him out. I'm gonna go for it. I don't think I'm gonna play a second Colored Oracle. Although maybe I should just play a second Colored Oracle. The thing is I get to ping this 1/1 to increase the chance I steal something good. Works out. Sometimes you don't want to taunt the egg if you're scared of Flame Strike, for example, because they can attack your egg and then Flame Strike. Like it depends whether you want to use your egg to protect your other minions or to use your other minions to protect your egg. And sometimes it's better to protect your egg from Flame Strike. He has Jiraxis. It's kind of scary for me, but because I don't have burn. But good thing is he doesn't have any more Arguses because I got both for my Cold Oracle. The weird thing is he hasn't used any like owls yet, so I'm not sure about Sylvanas. I almost feel like duplicating here and just playing the Mad Scientist. Oh, well.
I have no time for games.
I got this.
Still a 5/5, and he has to silence. None of these creatures are that good to duplicate. I guess the Colette would be at this point good to duplicate, but yeah, he probably won't kill that one first. I still do have one more Flame Strike. Or he doesn't have an owl either with how he played. I might be able to take him out with 2 heal bots. Even though I'm gonna lose board very soon to Infernos, it's so hard. I guess I can try to kill him as well. Well, technically he has to trade it because I have lethal with Frostbolt. Yeah. If he doesn't trade, he's actually dead.
Let none survive.
Oh yeah, he had too many eggs. He power roaming the one he just played and couldn't attack yet. With this hand, I'm definitely saving my coin. I'm assuming it's Handlock. I can probably trade Mad Scientist and ping this just later on eventually. No need to like rush it. Not with nothing else to do anyways. Just gonna save my coin. Okay, actually this is a very good hand. Got the duplicate down. I have 2 good minions. I can just coin out Sylvanas next turn. I also have the BGH just in case.
Shields up. I have no time for games.
Yeah, I almost just instinctively attacked because I'm so used to like this situation against Belcher to always attack. Because it doesn't make sense, right? Because the water elemental, if you don't attack him, he can just attack you. But yeah, this guy can't. This guy's a watcher. It's not the same. And it makes it's much easier for me to trade the Sylvanas, I think.
Let none survive.
This is actually weird. Like, do I even want to? Because it's duplicate, right? The question is, do I even want to ping my Sylvanas? Because if I ping my own Sylvanas, oh yeah, I definitely do. Actually, I'm not sure. He can take the good trade on the water elemental, but he doesn't even want to kill the Sylvanas with a spell
I have no time for
because it's too scary. He's at 8. I can collide here. Let's just freeze it. White color, that's good. Yeah, I have duplicate out, so I can't play anything too trashy like a zombie chow. But I actually don't mind duplicating Cold Oracle. In fact, I think it's really good.
shields up. My hand is too full.
I guess I'll wait so I duplicate.
Death does not scare me.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Stained. Wait, what happened? Here's a crow fist.
My shield for Argus.
I feel like with what happened, I actually shouldn't have even pinged my own Sylvanas to steal the other minion.
From the void I come.
What is this? Ice barrier. That's probably good for me.
I've got the beast in my sights.
It's too important for me to get the BJH again because there's still Molten Giants. They're still Mal'Ganis. It's just too important for me instead of playing the Water Elemental still. He has played Sylvanas. I'm trying to think if there's something really good to polymorph. I don't think so though. It might be I can just polymorph the Drake here.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna try to flood him out soon with Death Lords and Cold Light. He's at 6 right now. Probably still Shadow Flame. Once he does use Shadow Flame, I can actually just go crazy with KT. I mean, that's not really an issue for me, I guess, because I just haven't had the initiative. So he has to know that I have BGH. But yeah, he has to play them anyways. Because he needs to play one so he can play the other. I can actually take my choice. I'm just gonna go for board control.
Engaging TC-130 into dislocator.
That's good, I think.
I've got the beast in my sights.
2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I just realized I actually have a demon now, so my Void Caller's Death Rattle will get another Void Caller. He has normal, I'm not gonna play around anymore. That's just fine to just do this. I don't want to play duplicate still. I might just snipe this guy as well. And also, I think it's better for me to just go for more board control. I can duplicate anything later, like a Water Elemental. It's because I have KT, I just want to snowball this KT right now if I can. That should work out okay. 2 Cold Lights, I can actually fatigue him for 1 here, double Cold Light. He'll draw these 4 cards, then fatigue for 1. It's not lethal like that. Maybe that wasn't good actually with what I did because he can Molten Shadow Flame and clear my whole board, but I still got the trade and it forces the Molten Shadow Flame. Oh, no, that's not happening. He's dead.